Let's talk about one of my favorite root veggies, the brilliant beet. Whether you've walked past them at the market or eyed them suspiciously in your local grocery store, beets are one of those vegetables that deserve a second look. They might seem a bit mysterious at first, but trust me, there's a lot more to them than meets the eye. Yes, that purple thing that stains your fingers and tastes a bit like earth. It's true, beets can leave your hands looking like you've just finished finger painting, but that's all part of their charm. Their earthy flavor is unique, and once you get used to it, you'll find it's actually quite delicious and versatile. But trust me, once you get to know them, you'll see they're absolute superstars in the kitchen and for your body. They're not just a side dish or a salad afterthought, they can be the star of your meal, and they bring a whole host of health benefits along for the ride. That deep, rich magenta isn't just for show, it's a sign of all the amazing nutrients hiding inside. The color comes from betalains, powerful antioxidants that help fight inflammation and keep your body running smoothly. It's like nature's way of telling you, hey, I'm good for you. We're going to peel back the layers and discover why this humble root deserves a prime spot in your weekly shop. From their impressive vitamin and mineral content to their ability to support heart health and boost your stamina, beets are a nutritional powerhouse just waiting to be discovered. Forget those pickled beets in a jar. Let's embrace the fresh, lovely real deal. Fresh beets have a sweetness and depth of flavor that you just can't get from the jarred stuff. If you've only ever had beets from a can, you're in for a real treat. Beets have had a bad rap, but I'm here to change your mind. Maybe you remember them as a soggy side dish from your childhood, but trust me, there's a whole world of beet recipes out there that will make you see them in a brand new way. They're so much more than a salad topping. Roast them, blitz them into soup, or even use them to add color and nutrition to your favorite dips and spreads. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness, while blending them into soups creates a velvety, vibrant dish that's as beautiful as it is tasty. Or grate them raw for crunch. Raw beets add a satisfying bite and a pop of color to salads, slaws, and even sandwiches. They're a fantastic way to sneak in extra nutrients without much effort. The possibilities are endless if you give them a chance. From beet chips to smoothies, risottos to brownies, yes, brownies. Beets can do it all. Their versatility in the kitchen is truly impressive, and experimenting with them can be a lot of fun. So grab your apron, things could get a bit purple. We're about to dive deep into the world of beetroot. Don't be afraid of a little mess. It's all part of the adventure, and the results are totally worth it. We'll explore their health benefits, and I'll share some dead simple recipes and tips. Whether you're a beet beginner or a seasoned fan, you'll find something new to love. I'll show you how to pick the best beets, store them properly, and make the most of every part, including the greens. By the end, you'll see beets in a whole new light. Let's do this. Get ready to fall in love with this vibrant, nutritious, and surprisingly versatile root vegetable. So what makes beets so special? Why do nutritionists and chefs alike rave about this humble root vegetable? Let's take a closer look at what's really going on beneath that rugged skin. It's all about what's inside. Beets are more than just a pop of color on your plate. They're a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with a unique blend of compounds that do wonders for your body. Beets are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients our bodies crave, low in calories, high in goodness. They're a smart choice for anyone looking to eat healthier, whether you're an athlete, a busy parent, or just someone who loves good food. One of the standout nutrients in beets is folate, a B vitamin that's essential for cell growth and function. Folate is especially important for pregnant women, as it helps prevent birth defects and supports healthy development. That stunning color comes from betalain, a powerful antioxidant. Betalains don't just make beets beautiful, they help fight inflammation and may even support detoxification in your liver. Antioxidants are like your body's security guards, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. The more antioxidants you get, the better your body can defend itself against everyday stress and pollution. Every bite of beetroot sends in a team of tiny bodyguards to keep you healthy. It's like having a personal wellness squad working for you, one forkful at a time. Beets are also a fantastic source of fiber, which keeps your digestive system happy and running smoothly. Fiber helps you feel full, supports gut health, and can even help lower cholesterol. On top of that, you'll find manganese, potassium, and vitamin C, great for bones, metabolism, and fluid balance. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while manganese supports bone strength and vitamin C boosts your immune system. And here's a fun one. Beets contain natural nitrates. These aren't the same as the artificial nitrates you might find in processed foods. These are naturally occurring and actually good for you. When you eat beets, your body turns these nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This means better blood flow, more oxygen to your muscles, and improved endurance. Nitric oxide is a game changer for your energy and your heart. That's why athletes often drink beet juice before a big race. It can help boost performance and stamina. It's like a secret weapon for your well-being, hidden inside this earthy, sweet vegetable. Every time you enjoy beets, you're giving your body a natural boost. Proper clever stuff from Mother Nature, eh? It's amazing how much goodness can be packed into one simple root. So next time you see that vibrant color, remember, it's a sign of all the good stuff inside. That deep red is nature's way of saying, "Eat me, I'm good for you." Beets are true underground treasure chests, brimming with nutrients, flavor, and health benefits just waiting to be discovered. So dig in and let your body enjoy the rewards. Let's get to the heart of the matter, literally. When it comes to supporting your cardiovascular health, sometimes the simplest foods can make the biggest difference. Beets, with their deep, vibrant color and earthy sweetness, are more than just a tasty addition to your plate. They're a powerhouse for your heart. Beets are full of natural nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. This isn't just some fancy science term. Nitric oxide is a real game changer for your blood vessels. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow. Think of it as your body's way of opening up the highways for your blood, reducing resistance and letting everything move smoothly. This helps lower your blood pressure and takes the strain off your heart. Over time, that means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood, which is a huge win for your overall health. High blood pressure can be dangerous, increasing your risk for heart attacks, strokes, and other serious problems. So anything that helps keep it in check is a win, especially when it's as easy as adding a vegetable to your meals. And to think, something as simple and delicious as a beet can help you do that. Whether you enjoy them roasted, juiced, or tossed in a salad, beets are a versatile way to boost your health. Imagine your blood vessels as tiny roads, twisting and turning throughout your body, carrying life to every cell. Nitric oxide turns them into wide motorways, making the journey smoother and faster for your blood. It's like upgrading from a bumpy back road to a freshly paved expressway. It's not about weird pills or potions. It's just good, honest food doing its job. Nature has packed beets with the nutrients your body needs to thrive. No prescription required. Having a glass of beet juice or some roasted beets isn't just tasty. It's like giving your heart a little hug. Every bite or sip is a small act of self-care, supporting your body from the inside out. Of course, it's not a magic cure-all, but as part of a healthy lifestyle, alongside regular exercise, balanced meals, and stress management, adding more beets is a brilliant move. It's a simple step that can make a real difference over time. Smart, simple choices add up to a healthier you. Every healthy habit, no matter how small, builds a foundation for a stronger heart and a better life. And it all starts with this gorgeous purple veg. Next time you're at the market, pick up some beets and give your body a natural boost. Give your heart some love, add beets to your plate, and let nature's goodness work its magic for you. Feeling sluggish? Forget sugary energy drinks. Beets are a natural energy booster. That same nitric oxide that's great for your heart also helps get more oxygen to your muscles. More oxygen means your muscles work more efficiently, so you can go longer before feeling tired. Drinking beet juice before activity can help you power through your day, whether you're running, cycling, or just busy. It's not a fake buzz, it's real, sustained energy. This isn't just for athletes, it's for anyone who wants to feel more alive and kicking. Improved oxygen flow helps your whole body, including your brain. So, start your day with a beet smoothie or add grated beet to your salad. Give your body the good, honest fuel it needs and feel the difference. Beets aren't just good for your heart and energy. They're brilliant for your gut too. Their fiber acts like a gentle brush, keeping things moving and feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut means better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even a better mood. And beets help your brain too. Nitric oxide increases blood flow to your brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients. This supports sharp thinking and good cognitive function, especially as we age. So whether you're studying, working, or just want to stay sharp, beets can help. From your brain to your belly, the humble beet is a true all-rounder. What a superstar. Beets are brilliant, but how do you get them into your meals? Easy. Roast them, scrub, chop, toss with oil and herbs, and roast until tender and caramelized. Eat them warm as a side or cool in a salad with goat's cheese and walnuts. Grate them raw into salads for crunch and color. Blitz raw beets into a smoothie with apple, ginger, and juice for a vibrant drink. Make a beautiful beet dip, blend cooked beets with chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon, and olive oil for a stunning pink hummus. Serve with pita or veggie sticks for a healthy snack. Try a creamy beetroot soup. Cook with onions, garlic, and stock, then blend until smooth. Swirl in yogurt for a finishing touch. Sneak grated beet into burgers or meatballs for extra nutrients. Once you start, you'll see beets are a versatile, everyday ingredient. The possibilities are endless. Let's go shopping for beets. Look for beets that are firm, heavy, and have smooth, unblemished skin. If they have leaves, even better. Fresh greens mean a fresh beet. Don't throw the leaves away. Sauté them like spinach for a bonus veggie. Go for small to medium beets, they're sweeter and more tender. Once home, chop off the leaves, leave an inch of stem. Store leaves in the fridge and keep unwashed beets in the crisper. They'll stay fresh for weeks, ready for your next meal. Remember, you're getting 2 veggies for the price of 1. Choose wisely for the best flavor and texture. Store them right, and you'll always have a healthy option on hand. Beets are easy to buy, store, and use. No excuses. Cooking beets doesn't have to be messy or complicated. Wear an apron, and if you're worried about stains, use gloves. Or just embrace purple fingers. Roasting is my favorite. Scrub, chop, toss with oil and salt, and roast until tender. No need to peel before roasting. The skins slip off easily once cooked. Boiling or steaming works too. Leave the skin and a bit of stem on to keep the color. Once tender, cool, and rub off the skins. In a hurry, eat them raw. Grate into salads or slice thin for a beet carpaccio. Drizzle with lemon vinaigrette and herbs for a quick, elegant dish. Beets are versatile. Roast, boil, steam, or eat raw. There's a way for everyone to enjoy them. Simple, fuss-free, and delicious. So there you have it, the humble beet unveiled. It's a powerhouse for your heart, energy, brain, and digestion. All that goodness in one sweet, earthy, vibrant root. I hope you'll look at beets in a new light and give them a go. Try roasting, grating, or blitzing them into a dip. Find what works for you. Food should be joyful and make you feel good from the inside out. Adding more beets is one of the simplest, tastiest ways to look after your health. It's a little act of self-care your body will thank you for. Get creative, get your hands a bit purple, and dive into the world of beets. Your heart, energy, and taste buds will be glad you did. Go on, beet it. Lovely stuff.